Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer website code for affiliate tracking using Google Tag Manager. Full guide step by step clearly. To transfer website code for affiliate tracking using Google Tag Manager, start by logging into your Google Tag Manager account. Select the container for the website you want to work on. Navigate to the Tags section in the left-hand menu. Click on the New button to create a new tag. In the tag configuration, choose Custom HTML as the tag type. Next, paste your affiliate tracking code into the HTML text area. Make sure to wrap your code in script tags if it's not already provided. Now, configure the triggering conditions for this tag. Click on the triggering section and select all pages if you want the code to fire on all pages. If you need it to fire on specific pages, create a new trigger based on your requirements. Once your tag and trigger are set up, name your tag appropriately for easy identification. Next, click on the Save button to save your new tag. To ensure everything is working correctly, click on the Preview button in the upper right corner. Open your website in the new tab that appears. The Google Tag Manager preview mode should be active on your website. Check if your affiliate tracking tag fires as expected based on the triggers you've set. After confirming that the tag is firing correctly, return to Google Tag Manager. Click on the Submit button to publish your changes. Add a version name and description for your reference, then click Publish. Now your affiliate tracking code is successfully implemented through Google Tag Manager. Regularly monitor your affiliate tracking reports to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.